Number 11 then from paper 2 of the 2018 National 5 Maths. There we go, the reverse percentage one. It says the volume of Venus is this 9.3 times 10 to 11. Notice that, standard form, scientific notation. If that's 85% of the volume of the Earth, what's the volume of the Earth? Well, you just write down what it says. V is 85% of E. This is 85% of E. Now 85% back as a decimal is 0.85. So 0.85 E is 9.3, times 10 to the power 11. So the Earth will be 9.3 times 10 to the 11 divided by 0.85. Yes, I don't trust that wee power button at the bottom. And that gives you 1.094 and so on, but times 10 to the 12. Then it's just a case of how will I write my answer? That's got one decimal place, so I could give that one decimal place. But actually that's 10 to the 12. If that was in 10 to the 12, that would have had 2 decimal places. I think we'll go for 2 decimal places here. 1.09 times 10 to the 12. But I'm sure if you just put that down as 1.1, you'd still get it correct.
And numpty, you forgot the units.
Number 12 then from paper 2 of the 2018 National 5. As soon as you see that picture, cut in a circle, chord, right angle triangle, Pythagoras, probably. Anyway, you've got this shape here where a segment has been clipped off, used to work out the width of the remaining shape. Now it tells you the length of that chord is 20, the radius of the circle is 13. Well, the first thing you do is construct a little right angle triangle. One side going to the middle of the chord at right angles, the other being the radius then, so that's 13. And if that bisects the chords, that's 20.
Oh dear.
So there's the little right angle triangle, I'll just call that X. You can use Pythagoras in, so that's what you do. X squared is, it's a short side, so it'll be, why did I put 20 there?
Oh, you noticed. Doing well today.
10, it'll be 13 squared minus 10 squared. I suppose you could just do the square root of 13 squared minus 10 squared. I've started. Minus 100, so that's 69. So it's the square root of 69. Obviously. So that's 8.3066 and so on. So I'll just call that X 8.3, I think, centimetres. So what is the width? Well, the width would be from here all the way through. It's 8.3 to the centre, and from the centre to any point on the outside is the radius. So it'll be 8.3, plus the 13. So that's 21.3 centimetres.